Alright, normally I don't do escalator videos, but there's something very rare right here. This is at Dillards at North Point Mall in Alpharetta. They have O&K escalators. Very rare. There's an interesting indicator right there. I'll have to look that up here. We'll take a ride on all 4 of them. Look at that. Okay. That's interesting. I wonder if that talks about each step. That doesn't make sense to me. Let's head back down. Elevators over there by those doors. Key switches there. Okay. Almost makes me wonder if they had an OK elevator or something at one point. No, I don't think they installed elevators in North America. Or if they did, nobody's found them yet to my knowledge. Here we are at the 2nd floor. And now we will go back down to the 1st. Jeez, I almost stepped too far there. That's what happens when you don't pay attention and you're looking through a camera the whole time. Alrighty, here we are back at the 1st floor. Yeah, very, very cool. That'll be it.